John with Logan Homes. Today I want to talk about your new PGT doors. These doors are heavy. However, there are adjustments, and I'd like to show you them today. There is an adjustment to the door lock itself. The two screws adjust the throw that goes into the catch. The second thing I'd like to show you is the adjustment on the door itself. There are two screw holes on each door. Clockwise raises the door, counterclockwise lowers the door, and that's how you square up your door. Two more features that I want to talk about is door stops at the top, prevents your hands from getting smashed, and the other are screens in the weep holes to keep bugs out year round. We hope you enjoyed these tips about your PGT slider.